Finish line.
Past the finish line to win.
啊，赛车的 finish line。我们前面看的这个 building 是什么？圆圆的 building， 这是哪里
This is a car museum.
？This is a Nascar Race Car Museum， 是赛车的一个博物馆。Oh, we're at the finish line. Okay, are you ready to cross another finish line?
I'm ready to cross the first place. That was the practice first place. This
Yeah.
is the actual first place.
Okay, 现在外面下着雨呢。
I like rain.
下雨还可以凉快凉快，不然今天太热了。
Oh, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Which car is going? They're all like racing cars on the street.
Go!
Oh. Nascar Hall of Fame, Charlotte. 这个 building 建筑好有特色呀！你看后前面，就像一阵旋风一样。Oh, it says you must be 55 tall to drive the simulator. Do you want to drive a simulator?
Yeah.
The race car simulator? Then you have to be taller than that.
Am I?
I think you are.
Maybe can I go my turn?
Yeah. Yes, you are taller. So you're good. 给大家看一起的价格。它整个这个博物馆从外面看就是一个环形的，里边就像一个这个赛车的跑道一样。
Battle it out on the track. Adding fans along the way. As drivers push the limits of speed, crashes got more dramatic.
Hang on. Stand up. Oh, tricky run, slamming toward the wall. Crashing, rolling over side. Wait, Bill. We're here with you. You need more. Good luck to you. You know what we're gonna do today? Execute here. Control. Let's get things up. Go rocket today. Have a good day. Green goes in the air. Green. Flag.
刚才我们看那个短片介绍 Nascar 的历史，上面就有一个很有趣的故事，就是这个 Nascar 的是怎么样成立的。是警察要追捕坏人，坏人需要跑得快，就要想办法创建更好更快的车，所以就产生了现在的 Nascar 的赛车比赛。当 Nascar 的赛车进入维修区，他们的动作之快是被人津津乐道的。大家也来看看，我来挑战一下，看我的动作快不快呢？
No, I'm with someone else.
对啊，我们一会儿要去开一个赛车的这个模拟的游戏。Oh my gosh, this is intense. Now I'm in a race car simulator. Looks like a race car, very tight in here. And we're gonna try to drive this baby.
Green, next time by. Alright, man, line up on the inside row. Your road is closed.
Awesome. You're going to put your car in gear and follow the car in front of you. Don't pass the pace card. Just play a game and follow the leader. Good luck, drivers.
It's the 18 car. It's the 09 car.
看里边的这个车，它的安全是做得非常好的，直接把人就像套在一个笼子里边一样，头身体全固定好。还可以坐在这个赛车的椅子上，感受一下，哇，像掉坑里一样。这个椅子好深啊！
Hey, buddy.
我们要赛车啦！